Welcome, trader. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Wednesday, July 23rd, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, folks. So I've got the NASDAQ up here on the 1 minute chart. Okay, and what I wanted to show you at the time of this video here in the afternoon is 2:10 Eastern. Okay, one of my favorite setups with my advanced Heikin-Ashi system happened. So let me show you. So the bottom here is the Heikin-Ashi Delta Smooth. Okay, the HADS I call it. And what we look for here, folks, is very, very simple. Okay, when it's stretched like this, it's like a rubber band effect. Okay, meaning we're probably close to a bottom. Okay. Then when we get the green Heikin-Ashi advanced trend, that can be the confirmation. Okay, and what I love about this, it's stretching back in the direction of the trend. So you can see we've been in an uptrend on this 1 minute chart, and the algorithm of Heikin-Ashi is bullish as well, right? As I'll talk about here tomorrow. So I had everything in my favor for that opportunity. Okay, now the rest is simple. If you have an evaluation account here, folks, okay, what do? You exit when you hit your profit target for your funded account or on the red dot. So you can see here in the advanced trend, it's still keeping you in this trade. You have your stop at break even. And then again, you can allow this to run. This is what I'm going to teach tomorrow, folks, in my live class that starts at 10 o'clock Eastern. So it's becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Becomeabettertrader.com/yes. And again, I'm going to teach this strategy. And again, if you like to trade your prop accounts, especially for evaluations, and then I'm also going to show you then once you have your evaluation complete. Okay, I've got 20 PA accounts, for example, with Apex. Then I'll show you the strategy of what I do once I have my PA account. Very, very similar. It's just all about the management of that trade. So again, come join me tomorrow at 10 o'clock Eastern, folks. Becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Again, becomeabettertrader.com/yes. I can't wait to go over everything that I've learned. And remember, I've had several payouts since late last year, folks, and I just had 3 payouts approved in my bank account over the past week. I've requested another payout last night, and after today's trading, I've got another payout I'll be requesting after 6 o'clock Eastern when it's allowed. All right, folks, have a great evening and take care.